Hi everyone, so in this video you'll learn how to check if a variable is object or not in JavaScript. So let's get started. Let's have a basic HTML structure here. We'll go to a style sheet. Add the script file at the bottom, which is script.js. We need one div element here, one button. Let's make it check. We need one h1 element. Let's make it result. Save it. Go to style sheet. Select body element. Text align will be center. Select div element. Display will be inline block. Select the button. Display will be inline block. Padding will be 10 pixel and 20 pixel. Save it. Open this file in the browser. And this is the output. Now let's try to understand how it will actually work. I will create one variable in the JavaScript file. And on the click of this button, I want to verify if it's an object or not. And here we'll get the result true or false. So let's go to JavaScript file. Let's select the button, which is check. Select h1 element. Let's make it result. Create one variable here. Let's make it user, and it will be an empty object. Add event listener to the button, which is click. This will be the handler function. To verify if a variable is object, we'll make use of type of keyword here. So it will go like this. If the type of user is equal to object, I want to set true. Otherwise false. Save it. Go to browser. Click. It's true. Let's make it a string. Save it. Click, and it's false. Now so far it's working absolutely fine, but there is a slight problem here. In JavaScript, null and array are also considered an object. So if I'll put null here instead of some object, I'll get true. Also, if I'll have some array, for example Peter, click, I'll get true. So let's fix this. We need to modify the statement here. Let's make use of AND operator here. So it will be user double equal null. Sorry, it should not be null, and it should not be array. For that, we'll make use of isArray method and pass the variable, which is user, like this. Now let's put null here first. Save it. Go to browser. Check. We are getting false. Now let's have an array here. So let's make it Peter. Save it. We are getting false. Now let's have an object. Let's make it empty. Save it. Go to browser. Click, and we are getting true. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.